You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in British English and in American English. If you want to learn more of confusing vocabulary and pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of this video. The British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK: warriors, war, re, us. The stress is on the first syllable, so we have a clear R sound here. Warriors. Now, in American English, it's a more open R sound. Warriors. American English, and also the R is more pronounced at the end. Warriors. Warriors, American English, or warriors, British English. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.